तुम्हें। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भव तुम्हें। जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भव महिषामर्दिन्यै सर्वलोक जनन्यै। ॐ नमो महिषामर्दिन्यै महिषामर्दिन्यै महिषामर्दिन्यै। ॐ नमो महिषामर्दिन्यै सर्वलोक जनन्यै। ॐ नमो जय दुर्गायै नमो प्रकृतिरूपिण्यै नमो प्रकृतिरूपिण्यै नमो प्रकृतिरूपिण्यै। ॐ नमः चण्डमुण्डप्रमथिन्यै नमः परम सुखप्रदायै। ॐ नमः चण्डमुण्डप्रमथिन्यै ॐ नमः चण्डमुण्डप्रमथिन्यै नमः परम सुखप्रदायै। परमानन्ददायिन्यै परमानन्ददायिन्यै। ॐ देवै शिवायै अभयदायिन्यै दुर्गायै अभयदायिन्यै दुर्गायै अभयदायिन्यै दुर्गायै अभयदायिन्यै दुर्गायै अभयदायिन्यै दुर्गायै। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता। नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमः say Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo
Listen, listen, listen. Maharishi Vyas, Narada, Devala, Kanva, and other rishis are arriving at Hastinapur to meet the Pandavas and King Yudhishthir in person.
O Maharshi Vyas, Narad, Devala, Kanva, and the other rishis, kindly accept my gratitude to visit this kingdom of Bharat in this great hour of distress. You're welcome in Hastinapur.
O great Kuru on the earth, may I know the reasons of your distress? You look sad and dismayed.
O Maharshi Narad, you know that Karna, who was born to my mother Kunti before her marriage, he was our elder brother and the eldest of Kurus. Out of ignorance, greediness towards this kingdom, I made my brother Arjun to kill the eldest Pandav. O Maharshi Narad, why the wheels of Karna's chariot were caught up in the earth? Why Karna was cursed for his fate?
O Rajan, your elder brother Karna came to this earth by the blessings of the gods. He became the splendorous son of the sun god and Princess Kunti. He was destined to be killed in the Mahabharata war, so that his mortal body can enter the doors of the heaven. Karna was cursed by a Brahmin, whose cow was killed by him alone and by his Guru Parshurama. So he was killed in the battlefield while being inattentive and forgetful about the past.
O Anuj Arjun, you're the best of archers on the earth. You have toiled the most in the Kurukshetra war. You are befitting to rule this kingdom of Bharat. Let you rule this earth, kings, subjects, and warriors. I lost my desire to rule this kingdom and the worldly pleasures. I want to live in the solace of the forest.
Oh, Rajan, I don't agree to your opinion. The devastating war of Kurukshetra has wiped out our relatives and brethren. As a king, you must perform sacrifices to bring peace in your kingdom. Oh, Jestha, as written in our great scriptures and Purans, Vedas and Upanishads, you must follow the law of the household and law of the court and rule as the Chakravarti of the great Bharata dynasty.
O Rajan, you don't worry on the worldly affairs which was destined to happen in the Kurukshetra war. You please follow the duties of the king and rule the Bharat dynasty. I don't agree to your opinion of retreating to the forest, O king. I suggest you to organize Ashwamedha Yagna as per the rules written in our scriptures and give donations to reduce the sin.
O Bhimsen, unhappiness, negligence, pride, attachment, uproar, and the other sins have entered you so much that you are desirous of the kingdom of Hastinapur. Only the intellect and pious obtain of the Supreme Brahma. Others cannot. I'm not interested to rule this kingdom anymore.
O King of Hastinapur, you may impose royal punishment on yourself to reduce your sin. As per the scriptures, if a Brahmin commits mistake, he may be punished by speed. If a Kshatriya commits mistake, he must be given with more responsibilities. A monetary fine may be imposed on a Vyasa when he commits a mistake. A Sudra is never punished for any mistake. If the punishment is given in a proper way, then the sin and deceit don't remain. O king, you follow the path of the self-punishment by looking after your subjects of the kingdom with more responsibility towards them. you may be relieved from this.
O Rajan, I suggest you not to retreat to the forest, but rule the Hastinapur and live with your family and relatives and follow the path of household as instructed in our scriptures, Vedas, Upanishads, and Purans.
O Bhratashri, the two-word letter Mama, my, embodies death, and three-word letter Na Mama, not my, embodies the eternal and is the objective of Brahman. Both live within the human beings. O King, we should rely upon the path that was followed by our ancestors. So let us perform the Raj Dharma and the Kshatriya Dharma.
O eldest Pandava, Dharmaraj, being a king, you rule the Hastinapur by looking after your subjects, courtiers, family, and relatives by following the path of Dharma.
O great king on earth, don't abandon the kingdom that Pandava has won through Dharma. May you please perform the sacrifice as soon as possible?
Oh Rajan, let you perform the principle of the Kshatriyas of this earth to get rid of the sin in the Kurukshetra war. Let you rule the Hastinapur.
O Arjun, Bhimsen, Nakul, Sahadev, Panchali, O great sages Narad and Vyas, O Lord Shri Krishna, I can't able to concentrate on the family and the kingdom. Let me move to the forest alone.
O Jeshta Guru, out of the four stages of life, the household is the most important and precious. I instruct you to follow the household and rule the Hastinapur with the principles of Kshatriya. O Bharat, you rule this earth like King Yayati. Your precious brothers and wife underwent distress during the encounter. Now you find the living by Dharma, Artha, and Kama with your brothers and wife, and then go to the forest to perform Vanaprastha. To get rid of the sin of the war, you perform the sacrifices of Sarvamedha and Ashwamedha.
Oh, yes, Panda, you establish dharma on this earth by disrupting adharma. You have not made any sin. Now you rule the Hastinapur by follow the path of household and Kshatriya dharma. Come out of your sorrow and melancholy and live happily with your brothers in Hastinapur.
O Kurushreshta, you and your brothers have protected Dharma by slaying the trespassers of the Dharma. Hence, do not grieve over the war. As per the scriptures, there is no harm in killing a person of a family, because of which the sorrow of that family is removed. Similarly, if a nation obtains peace by destroying a family, then it is not a sin. So remove the distress of sin from your mind and with happiness, take the responsibilities of household and rule the kingdom.
O Jeshta Pandava, Swami, you instruct us to follow your path of the household and kingdom.
I now change my thought. Henceforth, I shall follow the principles of the household and the Kshatriya Dharma. Arjun, Bhimsen, Nakul, Sahadev, and adorable Draupadi, arrange the coronation ceremony. Invite all the kings, courtiers, sages on the earth to bless the Hastinapur. O sages Vyas, Narad, Devala, Kanva, and the other rishis, bless the Bharats.
O Rajan,
We
we shall follow your path of Dharma till death.
Kalyan Vastu.
O King of Hastinapur, Pandavas and Panchali, Yasasvi Bhava, Sukhi Bhava.
Listen, listen, listen. All subjects and courtiers of Hastinapur, you are invited to the coronation festival of Maharaja Yudhishthir.